Now I want to give a small assignment for you. Let me show you the first output. In the previous example, we have created a multiplication table, but we are waiting for 3 seconds. But write a small code that will make, like whenever you press the enter, the multiplication table should print like 1 to 10. So now one table is printed. As soon as you press the enter, second table, third table, fourth table, like this. The program should wait for the user. Whenever the user press the enter, the another table should print. This is useful whenever when a student is reading, he should read some document, and if you press enter or press next, the next document should be presented. So pause this video before I show you the exact what should we have to do. I will give you a hint, like we don't need like sleep function here. We should have to wait for a user input, and for user input we have until now used the function called input. Use the input function in your program. Pause this video, do the assignment, and then watch this video. So welcome back, hope you have done the assignment. So the code, the simple one line code is, we will be adding like input here, input, wait for the user input, that's all. This is the simple logic, simple one line statement that changes the entire functionality of the program. This is the most used function. This is also one of the most used function. So whenever I press the enter, so here I have given, let me close this, okay, and here we don't require this actually. Now delete this, press F5, okay, and now it is waiting for the user input. 1 2 3 4 5. This is like next. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. You can make, just with one line of command you can change the entire scenario. So keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.